Have you ever thought about how you can transform the sound of your video in a way that it sounds appealing to your listeners? Did you know that you can completely transform the sound of your video from sounding boring like the way you can hear me right now to something like this?
That's right. Did you hear that? That's the difference between poor audio and professional sounding audio. And guess what? You don't need an expensive microphone to make your video sound amazing. Right now, I'm not using microphone. I'm recording this video directly using my phone. I'm sure you can hear the background noise. We're going to completely remove the noise you can hear on the background and the echo as well. I'm sure it sounds surprising to you, right? Yes, you don't need to buy expensive microphones. You don't need to get all those big gadgets for you to get crisp sound. Imagine creating videos that instantly capture attention just because your voice sounds crystal clear. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Most people think buying a pro mic is the only way to fix bad audio. But today I'm going to show you a completely free method to enhance your video sound quality without spending a dime. You can do this using your phone and a simple online tool. By the end of this video, your audio will sound like it was recorded in a professional studio. Believe me, even if you are just using your phone's built-in mic. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, my name is Chris and I make videos on AI, video editing tools and strategies to grow your YouTube channel. If that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up to help more small creators discover it. Your support really helps the channel grow and reach more people, just like you want to create better content. Alright, here's how you can enhance your audio for free. I assume you must have recorded your video without a professional mic. First step is to convert your video to an audio file. Launch your browser and visit google.com. On Google, type free video to audio converter online. Select the options free convert. While on free convert, point to choose files. There you will see options where you can pick your files from, but I will choose the option from device because that is where my video clip is saved. Choose the video file and open, then you will see the progress as video is being converted to audio. But this process takes time depending on your internet speed. Don't worry, I will show you a faster option using VLC media player installed on your computer. If you do not have VLC, download and install in less than 5 minutes. Go to the start on your computer and type VLC media player. After you type it, click on it to open. Move your cursor to the left hand side, locate the point called media. Click on media, move your mouse to the point where it says convert/save. Click on it. So what we are interested in is this add button here. So click add to add the video clip you want. Select the video clip you want to convert to audio. Click open. Move your cursor down to the place that says convert/save. Click on convert. After you click on convert, the one we are interested in is audio MP3. So on the destination file, point to browse. Click on browse. Here on browse, this is where you type the name of the file you want to save. When you are done, click the save button. Now after you do all of this, the final thing to do is to click start for VLC to start converting your video to audio. On your phone, go to either Play Store or App Store. depending on the type of phone you're using. When you go there, search for video to MP3 converter. After you search for it, you will see different options that comes up on your phone. So select anyone that can do the job. Here I selected, one of the options here. So install it. Now after installing it, click open. Here it will start loading. After loading, begin the process of setting up the app. Here I select English. I click done. Here it will ask me, to start a free trial, but I'm not interested, so I come to the page. So after I do that, I will go over here and then select a video. Click this option to select a video. So I will allow you to access my files on my phone. Select the video you want to convert to MP3. So I'm going to play it so that you hear the sound. Good. So when you are done with everything, you will see a button down below that says convert to MP3. Tap that button and it will begin the process of converting your video to an MP3 file. After that, the next page comes up and then you can see that the video has now been converted to an MP3 file. This step is crucial because we need the audio file separately to apply enhancement. Step 2 is to enhance the audio with Adobe Podcast. Again, launch your browser and go to google.com. While on google.com, type Adobe Podcast. In this video, we'll be using the free version, which provides basic recording and audio enhancing tools designed for beginners to test the platform's core capabilities. Premium plan costs $9.99 per month or $99.99 per annum, which unlocks advanced AI-powered features for professional quality production, like directly removing video noise and enhancing audio quality without having to initially convert to audio first before enhancing the sound. If you do not have an account yet, you'll be required to sign up. However, I already have a free account. While on Adobe Podcast, turn on the Enhance Speech button before uploading your audio clip. Move to the Drop Files to enhance caption and ensure version 2 V2 is the option appearing if your video was recorded indoors. Now let me explain why. Adobe Podcast uses AI to remove background noise and reduce echoes and make your voice sound crisp and professional. Imagine this like having a professional sound engineer fine-tune your voice for free. If your video was recorded in a quiet environment, use V2 for a clean boost. But if you recorded in a noisy space like outdoors, ensure you select V1, which is better at reducing background sound. This step alone can make your voice go from sounding like you recorded in a bathroom or in an empty room to sounding like you are in a professional recording studio. And the best part, it's all automatic. No complicated settings, no confusing sliders. Just drag, drop and let AI do the work. Upload your audio files and wait for it to process. When it's done, click download. After enhancing our video background, the next thing to do is to jump over to CapCut. When CapCut opens, move on to imports. Then while on import, select the video clips that you need to add to CapCut. So I'm going to select the video clips that I already planned to add, the ones that we worked on. So this is the video we enhanced, this is the video, and this is the audio that was enhanced. So I'm going to pick them and then import it. After importing it, drag the video to the timeline. Now when you drag the video to the timeline, let's play the video and hear how it sounds initially before we enhance the audio. Here it is.
Have you ever thought about how you can transform the sound of your video in a way that it sounds?
Let's go ahead and drag the second video to the timeline. After dragging it, let's as well, this is the first audio, drag it as well to the timeline. Okay, drag the second audio as well. But here, after adding those clips to the timeline, what we need to do is to completely mute the volume of the main video so that it doesn't clash. You can mute the video from here. That is how you can mute it, and then you can also click the second one and then mute it as well. And that way you can mute it, which is a longer process by the way, is to go to audio at the top right here and then drag the volume completely to reduce it. After doing that, let's play the video now and hear it sounds appealing to your listeners. Cut out those parts that is not needed on your video, and by the time you are done, move on to the top right and click export. When you click export, it will show you the size of the video you're trying to export, and then you can choose the settings you want and then click export. Now here are extra tips for better audio. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips to make your audio sound even better. First, make sure you record in a quiet place. Background noise is the enemy of good audio, so make sure you prioritize it. That's very important. Secondly, speak clearly and confidently. Good audio isn't just about the tech, it's also about how you deliver your message. Third, keep your mic at a proper distance. Too close and it sounds distorted. Too far and it picks up too much room noise. 4. Do not sound fearful. Speak confidently into your mic. And that's it. In just a few steps, you have turned basic audio into a studio quality sound. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video so that more creators can improve their sound quality as well. Your feedback helps me create better content for you. So drop your thoughts below. Did you try this method? If you did, was the audio enhanced? You want to level up your video editing skills? Check out my videos on the description link below. I'm here to help you create better content, so make sure to subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.